Hey, what's going on, guys? So if you're looking to start making really easy money with your phone, well, watch this video until the end, guys. I'm going to show you this insane money-making app. It's probably the best one so far I've ever come across because you're able to make hundreds of dollars a day without actually having to do any surveys, no signups at all, guys. A lot of money-making apps make you do all these tasks and you make like $5 a day, $10 a day. But with this one, you're actually able to pull over like hundreds of dollars a day for free, guys, and start earning free money. I'm going to show you guys exactly what this app is, and then I'll go ahead and show you how to download it on your iOS or Android device. Make sure that you guys do leave a like on the video, though, and subscribe, because I am going to be gifting some of you free Cash App money that I made from this method. So drop your Cash App IDs down below, and let's get started with this video on how to show you how to download the best money-making app in 2021. Alrighty, guys, so now I'm going to go ahead and show you what this money-making app is all about, then go ahead and show you how to download it. But first, what I want to do is just show you some proof that this does work, show you exactly how you're going to make money with it, because it's really by far the easiest money-making app I've ever come across. Like most of them ask you to sign up, make you do like surveys or like, you know, scan receipts and stuff like that, like fetch your rewards. It's really, really boring like most of these money-making apps. But with this one, you just open it up, you log in, like you don't even log in, right? Like it just signs up with your phone number or whatever, and you can instantly start making money with this button right here called the Add Cash button. So basically, every time you tap on this, get this straight, guys. So you see my balance right now is $0, right? Well, every time you tap on this button, it actually adds free money onto your account without you having to do any effort or do anything at all. Like you don't have to do any surveys. As you guys can see, I'm not doing anything at all. I'm literally just tapping a button, and it's adding free money onto my account. That's how easy this method is to do with this money-making app, and I'm going to show you right here in this video how to download it. So don't go anywhere, guys. You're not going to want to miss this. But as you can see, we just made $500. Like we literally turned $0, like literally nothing. I was broke 5 seconds ago, and we just turned that into $1,000, guys. $500, as you can see. Pretty crazy stuff, and you can keep on doing this as much as you want. Now, I advise you guys not to go over like $500 a day, as you could come across some problems. Like for example, if you go over 500, they might actually limit your account sometimes. You know how PayPal might limit your account? Well, Cash App actually does that too. So, and what happens with that is basically, you know, you won't be able to withdraw your funds for like a couple of like weeks or like something, like set like a limit on your account basically. In order to avoid that, just don't add more than like $500 a day. Usually I add like about 200 to 400. And I'm all good. And you can withdraw this to your bank. I think they even have crypto now available as a cash out option. I'm not too sure. Or I think they allow you to buy crypto. But yeah, I'll have to double check that. But anyways, guys, now I'm going to go ahead and show you how to download this Cash App Plus Plus app. Now keep in mind, this is a tweaked app, right? So that means we're not going to really be able to, or we're in fact not able to get it from the App Store or the Google Play Store. Like you cannot get it from this App Store. So it is a tweaked app, which means we are going to have to go ahead and take a couple more steps in order to download this rather than like downloading a normal app from the App Store. So first step, guys, and listen up, it's just really easy. Like it's going to take us maybe max 5 to 10 minutes to install. Really easy and worth it though, because you're going to be able to start making hundreds of dollars a day. But first thing that we have to go ahead and do, guys, is just ensure that our device that we're on, whether it be iOS or Android, is ready for the install of this Cash App Plus Plus app. So if you're on iOS, go ahead and open up the Settings app. If you're on Android, we also have to go ahead and do like a quick step as well before we actually download the app. But first I'll do iOS, then show you guys what to do on Android. So go ahead and open up the Settings app on your iOS device, and you're going to want to go over to where it says Battery. So as you can see, Battery is right here. And then in Battery, you guys are going to want to go over to where it says Low Power Mode, and just make sure that you have this setting turned off, guys. All you got to do is just make sure you have it turned off. You'll know it's off though, because if it's on, your battery icon is going to be like yellow or orange. Just simply make sure you have that off. Then there's one more settings we have to change on iOS, and that is the, it's going to be in general. So to find that, you can just scroll down like from the top and find general, or if you can't find it, just use the search bar at the top and just simply type in general like that, and you tap on it. And then in general, you guys are going to want to look for the background app refresh setting. And all you have to do here is just make sure you have this turned on to Wi-Fi and cellular data. And just simply make sure you guys have it on like that. And now if you do not see this setting on your iOS device, don't worry, guys. You can just skip this step, or in fact just choose this setting all the way at the bottom of the list instead. But anyways, that is all the settings that we have to go ahead and change on our iOS device. Now if you guys are on an Android phone, we also have to go ahead and change some settings really quick on Android as well. So go ahead and open up the Settings app on your Android device, and you guys are going to want to go over to where it says Battery. So as you can see, Battery is right here on my Android phone. And there's two settings that we have to go ahead and change, guys. The first one is going to be battery saver. You're just going to want to make sure you guys have this turned off. Then once you guys have done that, you're going to want to look for the adaptive battery option and make sure you guys have that off as well. And that is going to be perfect. And now we will have ourselves our settings applied on Android as well. Now, if you don't see these settings on your Android device, what you're going to want to do is just skip this step entirely, guys. Like, you don't have to worry about it. And the reason you don't have these settings is probably because your Android device you're on is a little bit different than mine. I'm on a Samsung one. So yeah, you probably have like a different Android. But anyways, now I'm going to go ahead and show you guys exactly how to download this Cash App Plus Plus app onto your devices. Now, like I did say, it is a tweaked app, so we're not going to be able to get it from the App Store. So how exactly do you install the app? Well, it's pretty simple, guys. Open up the browser on your phone, and you're going to want to go over to this tweaked app store that's called tweaklink.vip, guys. So just type in tweaklink.vip. So as you all can see, I'm on this site right now. And basically, this is like a tweaked app store. It is fully web-based and free to use, but yeah, guys, just head on over to tweaklink.vip. And what we're going to want to do here, guys, is you're going to see like a bunch of apps. It is a tweaked app store, so come to the search bar and just simply go ahead and type in Cash App. And there it is right there, guys, Cash App Plus Plus, free Cash App money. So all we have to go ahead and do now is just tap on it, then tap the Start Install button, and then tap on that. And now all we have to go ahead and do, guys, is just wait for this to load, okay? Just give this about like 10 to 20 seconds, and then it will fully load up. This like blue bar right here, and then it will take us to the final part of the download, and then we will have ourselves the money making app installed, and now we'll be able to get free Cash App money with the money making app. Now, keep on watching though, because there is like one last step that we have to do that is very, very important in order to, you know, certify the download and make sure that everything installs properly. So yeah, guys, just keep on waiting while we wait for this to load. Also, make sure that you do leave a like on the video and subscribe if you haven't already. I would greatly appreciate that. But yes, guys, right now we're just waiting for this to load, and as you guys can see, here we are on the final part of the download. It's going to load up now and say, please follow and complete the instructions of all the offers below. Once completed, the download will finish. So this is the last step we have to go ahead and complete, right? And once you do every single app on this list, then the full Cash App Plus Plus will be installed, and we'll be good to go. So let's get started, guys. I'm going to tap on one of the apps right now, so I'll go Solitaire. And right now we're running our first app, so I'll go ahead and get started. And then once you complete one app, then what we're going to want to do, guys, is head on over back to the page with all the other offers and do the rest of them. And after we've completed every single app, guys, we will be done and have ourselves the full Cash App Plus Plus installed. And now we can go ahead and start using our money making app. But that's how easy this is to do, guys. Really easy. Literally takes about 5 to 10 minutes. Now, I don't want to do like all of these offers, that otherwise it will make like the video very long. And it's kind of pointless because you guys are not going to have the same offers anyways. So I'll just leave it off at that, but that's how you get the money making app installed, guys. This is by far the best money making app in 2021, so have fun with it, earn your free money, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out, guys.